Deublin Company is a family-owned business we started in 1945. We're the largest manufacturer of rotating unions in the world.
The Deublin unions are developed at a tolerance level second to none in our industry. There's no one else in our market that can service all regions of the globe with the same product level. With our 5 manufacturing facilities, the newest one being opened in Brazil, we create opportunities in every time zone around the world to support our customers. Our philosophy of being a solutions provider is really supported by very technically competent individuals. And that breadth of engineering create a capability level that no one else has. Not only have become experts in rotating union and the sealing of mechanical seals, we also have developed a vast knowledge of the customer's industries. The machine tool industry, the printing industry, the automotive industry. We bring an in-depth knowledge when we're talking with the customers. And I think that customers appreciate that expertise, if you will, that supports their specific industry. And Deublin Company has taken great pride in maintaining those relationships over the years. And that's something that I think our customers have grown to trust and really appreciate.